by the side of the Magdalene Mile, and everyone passed by that I've wronged in the meanwhile. Will I look into your eyes, the catchy twilight kind? They bring me right back home to a far-off faded time. The smell of rain struck suddenly, swinging softly through the air. I'm fastened to your love in a time when love was there, tangled up below the sky. In each other we were found. Forever will I remember sinking deep into the ground. 4 feet from the fire and the short hills of the land, sipping up your face, so I know I found my gem. I recall the summer day, now we find ourselves in fall. Our clothes hit the ground, our bodies standing tall. The song of a passing train pounds gently in my ears, crowded by the sound of your breath when you are near. Your catchy twilight eyes, when I see myself in them, sipping up your face, so I know I found my gem. By the side of the Magdalene Mile, and everyone will judge that I've wronged in the meanwhile. But for now I'm deep in your eyes, the catchy twilight kind. They bring me right back home to a far-off faded time. the side of the Magdan Mile, and everyone passed by that I've wronged in the meanwhile. Will I look into your eyes, the catchy twilight kind? They bring me right back home to a far-off faded time. The smell of rain struck suddenly, swinging softly through the air. I'm fastened to your love in a time when love was there, tangled up below the sky. In each other we were found. Forever will I remember sinking deep into the ground. 4 feet from the fire and the short hills of the land, sipping up your face, so I know I found my gem. I recall the summer day, now we find ourselves in fall. Our clothes hit the ground, our bodies standing tall. The song of a passing train pounds gently in my ears, crowded by the sound of your breath when you are near. Your catchy twilight eyes, when I see myself in them, sipping up your face, so I know I found my gem. By the side of the Magdan Mile, and everyone will judge that I've wronged in the meanwhile. But for now I'm deep in your eyes, the catchy twilight kind.